Hi friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we turn on game mode in a Tecno mobile. Guys you want to on your game mode setting in your Tecno phone, so then how can you on it in this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting, after on phone setting I scroll it, and friends you can see this type of settings. So when how can you on, so friends you can see guys your special function, tap here, and guys you can see your second option game mode setting, tap here. Since you want to on guys your game mode, so then you can on from here. So guys your game mode below, and guys you can use this game mode setting guys. So like that guys, you want to on your game mode in your Tecno phone, so hence you can on it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.